Hello all, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see how to search list of journals in Scopus where universities are publishing more in a given year. So let's get started. Now head on to scopus.com and log in with your university ID, and here you can go to this tab known as organization. And for this presentation, I will be showing three Indian university and two international university. So first we shall see Indian Institute of Technology Bombay. The organizational tab, I will put this as Indian Institute of Bombay. Wait until the drop down appears. Click on this and click on this. Here you can see there are list of universities will be displaying. Here you can select Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, and you can see the number of total document that has been published by IIT Bombay, that is 52,954. So here you can see the different subject areas in which they are publishing the paper. For this video, say I want to publish in a computer science domain, so I can click on this computer science, and you can see that a total of 10,205 documents has been published. Here you get various options through which you can filter your search query. So for this video I will be going for individual year search. So I want to know that in year 24 and 23 IIT Bombay is publishing in which journal frequently. So I will be clicking on this, and also I am clicking my subject area as computer science, and I want only two types of articles, say original journal article as well as some review articles. So I will be selecting this. So this is my search condition, that is year 24 and 23 and computer science and articles and review. I will limit my search to this, and you can see that these are the following list of journals in which they are publishing frequently. If you click on this, you can see this. So highest they are publishing in IEEE Access, International Journal of Advanced Manufacturing Technology, IEEE Transaction on Information Theory, and so on. So these are all the different journals in which they are publishing the paper. So you can also find in this way in which journal they are publishing, and you can also go to those journals and you can publish your article. So for next case, I will be showing the next university. Here the second university we shall take is BITS Pilani, that is Birla Institute of Technology and Science, Pilani. So I will be copy pasting this in a search organization. Wait for the drop down. So I will be selecting this Pilani, and so they are have total publication of 22,689 till date, and I will be interested in computer science domain. So again I will filter my search query using individual year. Say I want to see the year 24 and 23 in which set of journals they are publishing, and I will limit my publication to computer science, and say I will be limiting my search to art journal articles and review articles. So in that case, so we can see that BITS Pilani in the year 24 and 23 they are frequently publishing in IEEE Access, IET Journal of Research, Multimedia Tools and Application, IEEE Transaction on Nanobioscience, and so on. If your article fits into any of these journals, you can publish in these journals. This is one effective way of seeing in which journals the university are frequently publishing in a given current year, or say in a set of years. So the third search can be, see, is Manipal Academy of Higher Education, MAHE. I will be putting this in my search query. and I'm clicking on this. So they have a total publication of 40,023 odd documents. So now I will I'm interested in computer science, and again this time I will be selecting only a single year, that is 2024, and domain is computer science, and document type is article and a review paper. So I will be limiting my search query to this, and let us see in which journals they are publishing frequently. As you can see, they are frequently publishing in IEEE Access, Cogent, Multimedia Tools and Application, SN, Computer Science. These are the few journals in which Mahe's computer science domain people are frequently publishing. So in the next search we shall see, go to the foreign university like University of Southern California. They are publishing in, so they have total publication of 2,13,570 document till date. In computer science domain it is 27,493. So I will filter based on the year limit to 2024, and computer science, and original articles and review paper. So I will limit my search query only to this condition. So they are publishing in, click on this scroll. So International Journal of Molecular Sciences, IEEE Transaction on Wireless Communication, ASPIA Transaction on Signal and Information Processing, IEEE Transaction and Mobile Computing are the few of the journals in 2024 in which computer science expertise are publishing their work. So the final university we shall see, that is National Taiwan University. So National Taiwan University we shall see which so they are publishing about 1,66,177 article till date. So this time we will visit the engineering domain, which has 38,000 publications, and year 2024, and engineering, and original article and review paper. If you see, they are publishing most frequently in Chemical Engineering Journal, IEEE Transaction on Engineering Management, Advanced Sciences, and so on. So guys, in this way you can shortlist your journal to which your article need to be published. It is one of the effective way to see in which journals the university are frequently publishing, and you can also publish your work in this renowned journal. So this was for this video. Thank you.